Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. CH2Cl C CH3 is equal to CH CH2O. This is a 4-carbon chain with a chlorine on one terminal carbon, a methyl branch on the adjacent carbon, a double bond between C2 and C3 and a hydroxyl group on the other terminal carbon. Moving on to the next step. Choose the principal characteristic group. The hydroxyl group, O, is the principal characteristic group, alcohol, so it gets the lowest possible locant. Number the chain starting from the CH2O end. Moving on to the next step. Number the carbon chain. Numbering from the CH2O end. C1 CH2O, hydroxyl group. C2 CH is equal to part of double bond. C3 C CH3 is equal to part of double bond, bears methyl substituent. C4 CH2Cl bears chlorine substituent. And for the final step, assign locants. O at C1 suffix but. Dot 1 ol. Double bond between C2 and C3 but 2 N1 ol. Methyl group at C3 3 methyl. Chloro group at C4 4 chloro. Assemble the name. Alphabetical order of prefixes, chloro before methyl. Name 4 chloro 3 methyl but 2N1 ol. Evaluate other options. B1 chloro 2 methyl but 2N4 ol. Numbering from the Cl end gives O at C4 but O should receive lowest locant, so this numbering is incorrect. C 4 chloro 1 hydroxy 3 methyl but 2Na. Hydroxy is used as a prefix only when a higher priority group is present. Here, O is the principal group and must appear as a suffix, ol, not as a prefix. D 1 chloro 4 hydroxy 2 methyl but 2Na, same error as C, with incorrect numbering. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.